Hey there, just wanted to show you how to actually run your application, and there's two ways to do that. You can either run it through an emulator, which you see here, or you can run it through your actual device. I have a Samsung Galaxy S2, so I just connected via USB to my computer, and it'll pick it up through something that's called the ADB, the Android Device Bridge. It's kind of a bridge between your source code and your app, and where that application is going or where it's going to be run on. So to create a virtual device, an emulator, you can click on here. It's the Android virtual device, and right now I created a practice. So you just click on new, but I'll go to edit and show you what my specs are. So really, you just have to create this one. I chose a random one. You see, there's a couple of them. I just chose this one, and then created it. So you can start your application. Right here, it gives you the choice. It'll prompt you. Here's my Galaxy S2, where I could run it and see it on my actual device, or we could just go ahead and run it on the emulator right here. So we'll go ahead and do that. We'll press OK, and it's installing this my first app.apk. That's in your bin folder. So that's the Android package. All this stuff, all these files are gonna just package up and be sent across the Android device bridge to for now it's gonna be our emulator. Here it is. Boom. Hello world. It's all we did here was set the content view of our layout right here, and that's the activity main. That's our user interface, or this user interface at least. So here it is. Hello world. Boom. You can see the XML version of that. I will give you one tip. If you run into a problem, it is most likely because of that Android device bridge that I was talking about. And if you go to your actual SDK, where your SDK is, and then there's going to be a platform tools folder, you can type in, well, let's list the files that are in there. There's some of these files and folders. We're looking for ADB, so we can type ADB devices. There's our emulator, and there's the Galaxy S2. And if we want to kill the server, if there's a problem, just type ADB kill-server. Look at devices again, and there's going to be an error. So now we can just type ADB start server. We'll go ahead and restart that. It'll reconnect to your local port, and it started successfully. So, and you won't see the actual S2 now. We need to reconnect that, and then it'll pick it up. But there you go. Good luck.